Ann S. Torregrossa, Senior Policy Manager, Governor's Office of Healthcare Reform. Award winner Ann Torregrossa was nominated by Michael Campbell and Mark Schwartz. Ann is a dedicated champion of those who have nowhere else to turn, as evidenced by a lifetime devoted to legal services clients and community. Ann continues to serve legal aid clients in her current position with state government, where she advises the governor on critical healthcare issues. One of the few women in her graduating class at Villanova Law School, Ann went to community legal services in Philadelphia right out of law school. She worked with neighborhood groups, using negotiation and court action to create safer streets and more vibrant communities. Within 2 years, she argued a voting rights case in front of the U.S. Supreme Court while 8.5 months pregnant, and then gave birth to a baby boy named Brennan after Supreme Court Justice Brennan, who so impressed Ann during oral argument. Justice Brennan later wrote the decision in which Ann won a unanimous reversal of lower courts and secured the right to vote for unconvicted pretrial detainees. During her tenure as CLS Deputy Director, Ann renovated 6 local offices, expanded the staff from 20 to 95 lawyers, and added 65 paralegals. While raising her 2 young children, Ann also consulted for the Legal Services Corporation, teaching basic lawyering skills to young attorneys across the nation. Ann then began practicing at Delaware County Legal Services, going on to become its executive director. During this time, Ann developed a passion for advocacy on behalf of low-income individuals trying to access quality health care. She recognized a client's eligibility for medical assistance did not guarantee the availability of services or proper treatment. While in Delaware County, Ann helped establish Wesley Homes, a shelter for the homeless, won a case stopping the sale of 300 homes where the city had refused to accept compromise payments required by state law, and litigated several cases resulting in major improvements involving the health, safety, and management of low-income housing. From there, Ann created the Pennsylvania Health Law Project, an innovative specialty legal aid program that addresses the most challenging legal issues regarding the delivery of health care. Among other accomplishments, this program provided better oversight of boarding homes and expanded the health coverage for children, the elderly, and the disabled. With offices in Philadelphia, Harrisburg, and Pittsburgh, the Health Law Project serves as a model for similar programs nationwide. In 2003, Ann joined the Rendell administration in the Office of Healthcare Reform, where she continues her advocacy. Through the years, Ann somehow found the time to hike the Appalachian Trail, take an African safari, and, with her husband Joe, raised 2 extraordinary children who are now both lawyers. Legal Aid is truly fortunate to have such a tireless advocate, and PLS is pleased to present Ann Torregrossa with the 2005 Excellence Award.